Trick or treat is an old Halloween tradition for kids and adults in many countries. In the evening prior to All Saints' Day, many kids in colorful costumes go from house to house, asking neighbors or friends for treats with the famous phrase, trick or treat. The phrase originated in Ireland, where children would visit their relatives on All Souls' Day. There is no clear history behind the term, although most likely it started as a way to get sweets, but later on evolved into a way of telling people about what they were doing on Halloween. Trick or treat may have developed as an expression because the practice of going door to door made the holiday very vulnerable to fraud and theft, which in turn caused much anxiety and ridicule. One of the most popular traditions around Halloween was the tradition of trick or treating. For centuries before us, it was the wealthy who would celebrate the season by sending their children out door to door selling treats, hoping that each person would bring back a piece of candy or token, which was then presented at the family home. This was a time when money did not mean power, and the only real purpose of trick or treating was to provide a means for children to earn money so they could buy presents. This tradition has a long history but has declined since the Industrial Revolution. Today, many people do not even bother with trick or treating because they have replaced it with the modern shopping experience and the lack of need for tradition. Another popular tradition from the Middle Ages was to break into houses and hunt for sweets. This practice has also fallen out of favor, but many people still go out house to the door to collect pennies instead of trudging through the town to do it. The modern version of trick or treat is more likely to be a visit to an outdoor store. Many stores now sell fruit, candies, and other food items as gifts to the community for Halloween. This allows children to shop for the treats they want while still staying within the safe boundaries of a Halloween community. Some families have taken the tradition of trick or treat to a different level and organize scavenger hunts for their guests. Others arrange organized tours of local shops where they can purchase various goodies for the festivities. Trick or treat is a very interesting and ancient tradition. It does not appear to have developed out of any one single idea or practice, but rather began as a combination of different practices. Archaeological evidence has revealed that trick or treating was practiced in various parts of the world as early as the 7th century BCE. Today, it is still celebrated on a large scale throughout the world and has been adopted into many customs and traditions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.